Namaste everyone. Here I am going to plot some points on graph paper as well as I will draw a graph with the help of given informations. First of all, try to plot some points on this graph. Here 5 0 are inside parenthesis and they are separated by comma. This is called an ordered pair. Its first element is 5. 5 is its first element, which is called x-axis. We have to take distance alongside x-axis. That is its first element, which is 5 unit. I supposed length from this O to 1, this is 1 unit on x-axis. 1 to 2, this is also 1 unit. 2 to 3, this is also 1 unit. 3 to 4, this is also 1 unit, and so on. All these distances are equal. 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are at this point. This is distance along x-axis and second element, that is 0. Second element of this ordered pair 5 0 is 0, and this 0 will denote distance alongside y-axis. 0 distance alongside y-axis. This is y dash, this is y-axis, and distance of this point is 0 alongside this axis, that is 0. So we are at this point. This point is 5 0. 5 0 is coordinate of this point in this graph. Suppose this be P, this point be P. Now 6 and 10. This is also an ordered pair. These numbers are inside parenthesis and they are separated by comma. So 6 is first element of this ordered pair. We have to take distance alongside x-axis, that is 6. Now we are at this point. And 10. 10 is distance alongside y-axis, this point. And we have to draw like this. This point Q, suppose this point, this is Q, its coordinate is 6 alongside x-axis, and 10. 10 is y coordinate, distance alongside y-axis, 0 to 10, this is 10. 6, distance alongside x-axis, that is 6, and 10, distance alongside y-axis, that is 10. Suppose this is Q, and 2, 30. 2 is first element of this ordered pair, so we have to go 2 units alongside x-axis, 0, 1 and 2. Now we are here, and 30, 0, 10, 20 and 30. Like this, 2 and 30, 2, 30. From 2, we have to draw a perpendicular line, 230. This is R. Its coordinate is 230. X, x dash and y, y dash both are mutually perpendicular. X, x dash, x dash is horizontal, whereas y dash is vertical. Both are mutually perpendicular. In this way, these lines are plotted on this graph. Now I have to plot these points on this graph paper. After that, we will draw graph of this given relation. Here are two quantities: days in a given month, that is October. Here 7 days are given: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Temperature in degrees Celsius. In this month, temperature is recorded like this. There are two types of variables. One is independent variable and the other is dependent variable. Independent variable will be shown on x-axis. Independent variable will be shown on this x-axis, whereas dependent variable will be shown on y-axis or y-coordinate or ordinate. On this axis, we have to represent dependent variable, that is in degrees Celsius temperature. Here we have to show dependent variable. One is day in October. This is 1 unit, and its temperature that is measured 20. 20. We will have to plot here. This point is 1 distance alongside x-axis and 20 distance alongside y-axis. Now second, 2, 25. Distance 2 alongside x-axis and 25. It will be here in middle of 20 and 30, like this. This is 2, 25, 3 and 20. This is third day, and the temperature is again 20, like this. Third day, 20 degrees Celsius. This is temperature. Fourth day, temperature is 30. 4 x-axis and 30. This is y-axis. This point is 4, 30. 5, 35. This is 5 and 35. We will have to plot here 5, 35. 6, 30. 6 is here and 30. Is here 6, 30. 6, 30. Ordered pair. 740. 7th day, temperature is 40, like this. Here we have to plot it here. 7th day, 40 degrees Celsius temperature. Now we have to join these points. From here, after this, we have to arrive this point. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. This is relation between days and temperatures. Days we can write like this. days and temperatures. In degree Celsius, and this is graph of this relation. Now what about Kink symbol? This symbol, if we have to draw graph like this, when we start from 100, after that equal distance will be taken, then we have to use here Kink symbol like this. This symbol is known as Kink symbol. It means graph is started from this point 100, not from this O. Graph is started from 100. Now equal distance will be taken: 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, and so on. In this way, Kink is used. This is relation between days and temperature, and here are two variables. One is independent. Independent variable will be taken on x-axis, whereas other variable is called dependent variable, which depends on this independent variable, and dependent variable will be represented on this y-axis. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.